Distributive property, day 3. Number 1 says negative 2a plus a. You only have 1. That's negative a. Number 2, you're going to combine the ends first. So you have 2, you owe 3, you still owe 1. And then, of course, you combine your numbers. 5 plus 9, that's 14. 3, you list your x's first. And then you combine the 1 and the 10 and you get 11. Number 4, you combine the negative 4 and the negative 8 and you get negative 12. And then the number goes second, so plus 7. Number 5, you have a negative 1 that's being distributed to 2 different things. First term is n, and the second term is negative 1. So negative 1 times n gives you negative n, and negative 1 times negative 1, that's positive 1. Number 6, you have negative 2 that's being distributed to 2 different things. First term is 7x, and the second term is negative 1. So negative 2 times 7x, that's negative 14x. Negative 2 times negative 1, that's positive 2. Number 7, you have negative 1 times 2 different things. Your first term is x, and your second term is negative 4. Negative 1 times x, that's negative x. Negative 1 times negative 4, that's positive 4. Number 8, you have negative 8 times 2 different things. Your first term is negative 5n, and your second term is negative 9. Negative 8 times negative 5, that's positive 40m. Negative 8 times negative 9, that's positive 72. Number 9 is 2b times 2 different things. B is the first thing you're going to multiply by. That's the first term. And 1 is the second term. So 2b times b is 2b squared. And 2b times 1, that's 2b. Number 10, you have negative 2n times 2 different things. Your first term being n, and your second term being 6. Negative 2n times n is negative 2n squared, and negative 2n times 6 is negative 12n. Number 11, negative 6p is being distributed to 2 different things. Your first term being negative 1, and your second term being negative 10p. Negative 6p times negative 1 is positive 6p. Negative 6p times negative 10p, that's positive 60p squared. I should get in the habit of writing this in proper fashion, so it should be 60p squared plus 66p. Highest exponents first, called descending order. Number 12, negative 7 is being distributed to two different things. The first term being x, and the second term being 2. Negative 7 times x, negative 7x. Negative 7 times 2, negative 14. Number 13, negative 5 is being distributed to two different things. And the positive 8 just goes along for the ride. The first term being positive 4x, and the second term being negative 10. Negative 5 times x, that's negative 20x. Negative 5 times negative 10, that's positive 50. And the 8 just drops down. When you combine like terms here, the negative 20x is first, and 50 plus 8 is 58. Number 14, the 7 gets distributed to two different things, while the positive 3 just drops down. The first term being 4r, and the second term being 10. Seven times 4r, it's 28r. And 7 times 10, that's 70. While the 3 just drops down again. Combining like terms here, you get 28r plus 73.